Hey YouTubers, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel. Thank you for watching. In today's video, we're going to show you how to pinpoint whether or not your water heater is electric, gas, or propane. It is super easy. Let's get started.
All right, YouTubers, downstairs in the utility room, and there is our water heater. It is an A.O. Smith Pro Max. This is a 50-gallon tank, and it's got runoff, and it goes all the way to our drain. And again, in this video, I want to show you how you can figure out what type of tank you have, whether it is a gas tank, an electric tank, or a propane tank. And as you can see, you have a lot of stickers on the face of your water heater. And these stickers consist of warnings, dangers, as well as read before lighting. This has a self-lighting pilot light, which is awesome. However, before you attempt to do that, make sure you read your lighting and safety instructions. However, continuing all the way down to the bottom, this is the sticker or placard that I want to address. And as you can see here, it's going to show your model number. It's going to show the capacity. This again is a 50-gallon tank, and right here it says gas type, natural. So this is a natural gas water heater. And in the event that it said electric, that would be an electric tank. In the event that this said propane, that would be a propane tank. And if it was a propane tank, you would have a large propane tank somewhere outside on your property that is feeding the propane to your household. A couple additional items down here. You can actually see what the build date is of your tank. And right there, we have a build date of 06/28/2004. That means this water heater was manufactured June 28, 2004. And it was made in Mexico by A.O. Smith Water Products Company. So again, that is how you can tell what type of water tank you have, whether it's electric, natural gas, or propane. Hopefully this video helps, YouTubers. Hey, do us a favor below the video. You will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. Once you do that, every video that we upload, you will be notified. You will be able to stay up to date with us, and that will be awesome. And one more thing, YouTubers, this is an old tank, and we have been researching tankless water heaters, and we are getting a brand new tankless water heater installed next week. And what I will do is post a link above, and that is going to take you to a video that shows you more about the plumbing above, the exhaust piping, and the brand new tankless water heater that will go right here. And if you don't know much about tankless water heaters, guess what? They are going to save you lots of money. And that is because they are an on-demand system, meaning they're off 100% of the day when you're not using hot water, as opposed to your traditional or standard tank, which is right here. This is heating water all day, even 10 hours during the day where you may be at work, or at night when you're sleeping. Guess what? It's heating that water non-stop, using more electricity and more gas. So definitely check that video out. You may find it helpful and cool. You might want to switch to a tankless.